Good afternoon, Michael Masserang here again, and we're working on a commercial project. This is a townhome community, and we were referred to this project by some licensed engineers to bid this project and work with this community to stabilize a retaining wall. A lot of these developments do have retaining walls, and there's literally probably hundreds of miles of this stuff around the Charlotte area. So this is an issue that is developing and probably is common with a lot of these communities. So we are working with this community to stabilize the retaining wall, and that's why I'm here today to take a look at it. The guys are at lunch, so this is a great time for me to kind of review the work area. And incidentally, this particular job features what we call limited access drilling. They have worked with another company, I guess, in the past who did a few anchors on this project, some lateral anchor systems, and they have failed. And you can see this is a precast wall, and you can see where through improper installation, probably more so this is a drainage problem and a soils issue. You can see we've got a lot of cracks in this precast wall. The wall is rotating out as well as settling. So we are doing a combined protocol of what we call a soil nail stabilization protocol, which is going to provide lateral support to this wall. And you can see I'm looking at some of the cracks here, which are very interesting to see how this has developed over the years. And normally these types of walls are pretty stable, but sometimes you can have engineering problems with these types of walls. Maybe it's just too tall to support the lateral load, combined with the drainage problem and the soil. You know, it's just starting to move. So regardless, because it's a precast wall, we're able to stabilize it. So we just got to drill through it. Also, we're going to do a series of foundation underpinning units that will be applied at the base of this wall. You can see where some of the top of the footer has been exposed through erosion. We had to clear all this debris back. We're next to some train tracks, so this all got grown up with all kinds of vegetation. But you can see here some of the soil nail locations per the engineer's design. We'll put that up for you so you can see how this was designed. This is, of course, a project of this size and this nature. It is required in the state of North Carolina to bring in a licensed engineer. You certainly don't want Skippy, the commission-based sales rep from one of these local franchises, to get involved with this project. They don't have the expertise, they don't have the training, and they don't have this limited access type of equipment that you'll see here. This specialized drill rig that you'll see here is how we are advancing the soil nail retention system. You can see here this drill is a special drill to actually core through this wall, because it's 12 inches thick, and then we've got rebar mixed in with this, and then on the back side there's rocks and utilities. We had to spend quite a long time developing this project. We had to get doing utility locates. We had to have a plumber investigate some of those sewer lines underneath some of these apartments or townhomes. So you don't just want to get out here and start drilling. You definitely want to do your homework and make sure that you're not drilling into a sewer line or an electrical line, or maybe even a fiber optics line. So a lot of time, months of preparation went into this. And if you do have if you're a community or an HOA or your property management company here in the Charlotte region, and you're looking for an expert that has the ability to get into a limited access situation like this, where you can't get any heavy equipment back here, this is the kind of stuff that Chris really loves to do. And there's really nobody else in the city that does it. So this gave us pretty much a a lay down with this HOA, because not only was it the cheapest application using limited access drilling technology, but it also, we were the only ones qualified to be here. And, the industry does tend to be franchise based. You can see here some of the rods. This is one of the, you can see where you can see the sleeve in there, as well as the rod as it's back into the soil, going back, 20, 25 feet. And, your average franchise organization in the phone book doesn't offer these products. And you certainly can't put a helical pier in here. How are you going to get a helical pier through here? You can't even get the equipment back here. And so you put in a helical, it's going to be a hole that's 3 times the size, which is going to create drainage problems. And the soil on the other side of this wall, through soil testing, we determined that a helical pile wouldn't be the right product. So you can see, these are all the locations that they've installed so far. There will be a mechanical interface that comes in on the back side of this once everything has been grouted and it's had ample cure time. But the capacities on these anchors, we're going to get a 25, 30 kip anchor out here for each location. And that's going to be sufficient to give us the applied loads to support this laterally. We've recommended to the client we should probably have these bushes removed. Any types of vegetation, trees, that type of thing should be removed so that you're not applying that type of force, that hydrostatic force on the wall. But certainly it's going to be stable, and that's why we were hired. And this is the type of work that we really want to get into more in the Charlotte market. And it just happens to be that we're the most qualified. So if you're interested in limited access drilling, and you're, again, an HOA or a property management company, and you've got one of these retaining walls, whether it's a precast like this one, or it could be a timber retaining wall. We also have timber retaining wall applications. It might just be a dry stack wall. It could be any type of these walls that could be in place to support these developments. If you're noticing distress, cracking, lateral movement, settlement, we have the right team of professionals, engineers. We're a smaller company, so you might have to wait for us for a few months, but if you're patient, you get a 30-year veteran on your job site, and that's my business partner, Chris. And so Piedmont Foundation Repair is probably the oldest and most qualified foundation repair company in Charlotte. You can reach us at that phone number at the bottom of your screen. Contact me directly at my cell phone, which you'll see at the bottom of the screen, or the incoming office number for Piedmont Foundation Repair, and then we'll get you started working with our favorite engineering team. And we do have several engineers that refer us, but we have one particular firm that we work with time and time again, and you saw the engineering schematic from that firm during this video. They're the best in the business, and we certainly have a 15-year relationship with that engineering firm, and help us to develop these projects. So again, thanks for joining us today. We're at halftime during lunchtime, so I picked a good time to come, and a nice cold brisk day here in Charlotte, and you get to see some limited access drilling, some soil nail technology, and then I'll be back again for another video as we progress through the project, so you can see the different phases as we move through it. And we'll definitely be here several weeks, so look forward to seeing you for the second part. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day. Take care.